Green finance is not just about the present, but for the future, riding on our general concern about the long-term well-being of the Earth.
Green finance is important not just for Hong Kong, but for the world. And green finance is talking about how can we make better use of the financial system to promote the green and sustainable agenda.
Hong Kong has a unique position here because it's an open capital market and it has a connection with the global financial markets. So it can play a role of bringing financial resources globally to mainland China, to the Belt and Road.
We think that climate risk is a source of financial risk. So we need a change in mindset, that is, to manage risks arising out of climate change and also to capture opportunities.
We think this information platform will help issuers, investors, and policymakers to come together to discuss green finance.
Creating shared value is a proposition embraced by successful companies, enhancing value for all stakeholders, not only shareholders, but also the local environment and its community.